Hi everybody, welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Today, we'll talk about bright living room design ideas. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. Your living room is the heart of your home, a place where you can relax and unwind with family and friends. If your living room is lacking in brightness and vitality, it can be difficult to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. However, with the right design ideas, you can transform your living room into a radiant space that brightens up your home. One of the easiest ways to add brightness to your living room is to incorporate light and airy colors. White, cream, pastel shades, and light grays are great options to create a bright and refreshing atmosphere. You can also add pops of color with bright throw pillows, colorful artwork, and decorative accents. Another way to add light and vibrancy to your living room is to incorporate natural light sources. Large windows, skylights, and glass doors can help bring in plenty of natural light, creating a bright and refreshing ambiance. You can also use sheer curtains or blinds to let in the natural light while still maintaining your privacy. Mirrors are also a great addition to your living room design as they can reflect natural light and brighten up your space. You can also choose reflective furniture, such as glass coffee tables or mirrored side tables, to help reflect light and create a brighter atmosphere. Lastly, adding greenery to your living room can also help create a brighter and more vibrant space. Plants not only help purify the air, but they also add natural beauty and texture to your living room. You can choose a variety of plants, from small succulents to large potted plants, to create a fresh and inviting atmosphere. Incorporating these design ideas into your living room can help create a radiant and inviting space that brightens up your home. With the right mix of colors, natural light sources, reflective surfaces, and greenery, you can transform your living room into a space that radiates with warmth and vitality. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a bright living room design ideas. Thank you.